Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Crescent moon I just designed. And check it out. And this is actually my variation of Jeremy Schaefer's new moon right here. See? So this is my new moon I just designed. And yeah, and it's really cool. It's a nice crescent moon. And so I'm going to show you how to fold it. So this model I folded from a sheet of printer paper cut in half. And special just for my members only, I made one from a US $1 bill. See? And you can see George Washington's forehead on it. And yeah. But honestly, I recommend just using a half sheet of printer paper because it looks nicer. And you know, the moon is obviously white. Okay. And to become a member, click the join button next to the subscribe button. It's only about $5 per month. Okay. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a sheet of 8.5 by 11 inch printer paper, cut in half. Okay, so we only need half. So fold in half. Yep, I'm using letter size printer paper, by the way. And turn over and fold in half this way. We're just splitting it in half. And now make a tear on the top and place it on the table and separate your hands. And the tear should go all the way down, just like this. You could also use scissors, but I like tearing it. Okay, and put one on the side, and here's the dimension of paper you need. Okay, so let's begin by folding in half. We're going to fold in half both ways, like this. So I'm going to fold in half the long way first. And fold in half like this. Okay, and unfold. And now refold the sides to the middle. And when you fold them, I actually recommend just leaving a millimeter of space right there. Don't fold it all the way to the crease. Because we're going to fold it in half again. And it'll be cleaner if we just leave some space. About a millimeter is good. And repeat on the side. And just leave about a millimeter of space from the middle. See, so I left a little bit of space there. So that way when we fold it in half it doesn't interfere. Okay, and fold in half. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's unfold and let's fold the sides to the middle. Okay, unfold and repeat. Okay, now fold in half. Okay, and now we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it up. We're going to fold it up right on the middle point, and we're folding in between the middle and this point right here. Okay, and reset nice and sharp. And right here, let's take these 2 points and fold them to this point. Reset nice and sharp. Unfold, and now we're going to fold this up right on this point, and we want this edge to touch this point where the crease hits the edge. I hope we can see that. Oh wait, no, actually, a better guide mark, actually we really didn't need to make that crease, sorry. A better guide mark, you could do it like this is one guide mark, but the point is not going to be quite as pointy. So if you really want the point to be pointy, actually fold it up on this point and in between this point right here. Like this. That way you'll have more of a point on your moon, because you know crescent moons are really pointy, obviously. And now I'll turn over and take this part and fold it over the edge. And fold it up like this. Like that, see? Now it's more pointy like this. If I did the other guide mark, it wouldn't be as pointy. It would still look nice though. And repeat all that on this side. So turn over. So we're on this side with the edges. And fold this up in between this point and this point. And take this point, and there's 2 guide marks. You could make the fold like this, and then fold up so the edge touches the fold, and it goes in between this point, but I like this guide mark better. Fold up in between this point and this point. So I want my moon to be really pointy. And also I think it'll look cleaner that way too. And turn over, and fold over the edge. And again, like this, just wrap it. crease that really sharply too. Okay, so if you like it like this, then you're done. There's your moon. But we can round it off a little bit more, and that'll hopefully try and keep these flaps down more. So I'm gonna turn over on this side with these two flaps and just do it on here. So we're just gonna fold these 3 points in to taste, like this. I'm actually folding it up halfway. I'm estimating thirds, but it's to taste. And on the middle too. This will round it and keep the flaps down, hopefully. And the paper's pretty thick here. Just do your best. And this is printer paper, so you know printer paper is pretty thick paper. Like this. And there's your moon. See? The nice crescent moon. Or it can be a new moon. And yeah. And I don't think it's gonna fly very well with the flicker because it's so narrow. But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool looking model. Oh, and here I also managed to fold them from a sheet of kami. This is a 16 square of kami cut in half. And the folding method is exactly the same. So you can really use any dimension to fold this moon. So from a half sheet of kami and from a sheet of perfect cut in half. Yep. And these are both exactly the same. So yeah, I don't think I'll make a tutorial for this one, but even the one from $1 is exactly the same too, see? But since I already recorded the tutorial for this, I'm just gonna make that one be for my members only. Okay, so there it is. Alright, hope you guys like this model and were able to fold it, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, have a moonerific day. Alright, see you guys later.